Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from veganchoicefoods.com. Come on in, family. Come on in. Ankeru from veganchoicefoods.com. Come on in, family. We're about to show you basic health is common sense. Common sense is basic health, family. Break that fast with fruits in the morning. Start on that cleanse. That cleanse is very important. It's very important, family. If you cannot get the full body cleanse, get the cleanse for $42. The 4 bitter herbs you ever taste in your life. But trust me, you'll be pooping in just a minute. You'll never poop like before. You never poop like before with this cleanse, family. So as I said, family, I just want to share this with you guys. That this is what I break my fast with in the morning, and you should do the same too. Family, it's crazy. Health is wealth. There's nothing better than, when you know you've been eating clean and not eating dirty, bad foods, processed foods. They say, family, US foods are banned in 30 countries, family. It's crazy. So just imagine, guys. Just imagine, family. So I'm having some soursop, the good old soursop. We have enough in Jamaica, stoning dog, and we can stone dog with soursop in Jamaica at the moment. Some papaya, some June plum. This is June plum, family. Nice. A little piece of mango, some burro bananas, some jackfruit, and a little piece of pine. And normally I don't eat pine, but I'm gonna eat it this morning, family. But trust me, delicious and nice. So as I said, guys, it's easy. It's not hard. All you gotta do, guys, go pick up your 30-day cleanse. Detach from the food. Go to the farmer's market. Try to get some fruits. Try to get some veggies. Make your smoothie, make your juice, and just go at it for 30 days, family. No hard food. Cleanse out the plaque. And trust me, you're gonna see, if you have a big belly, it's a problem. All disease, family, start within the gut. So clean the gut and you forever stay healthy. Where can I buy soursop? I don't see any stores right now. We are working on a plan with DHL to start to ship fruits to the US in Florida. So hopefully we can get that done in 2021. Straight from Jamaica, straight in your mouth. Fresh live fruits. I just post about the fast. Yes, family. It's not no religious fast and no foolish. It's a real fast. Fast is your break fast break, whatever you want to call it. You break your fast at 11, 12 in the morning. A lot of person, when they wake up in the morning, 8, 9 o'clock, food is on their mind. It's crazy. It's crazy to see that, when I was young, that used to be me. As 8 o'clock comes, as I jump out of my bed, I want the fried dumpling, I want the overnight food, I jump and eat it. But trust me, guys, what should be on your mind when you wake up is to meditate, exercise, and relax your mind. And then at 11, 12, that's when you get some fruits, a smoothie, and you have your tea in the morning, your key lime, all those stuff in the morning time. So trust me, food should only come on your mind at maybe 2 to 3 in the evening, in the afternoon. That's the only time you eat food, and then you can snack after that on your way going to bed, family. So if you're not feeling well, basic health is common sense, and if you can do that, trust me, you can heal your body. Simple and easy. Anybody can do it. So we're about to do that, family. So I'm about to eat my breakfast now. I wish I could stay longer with you, but I have to go because this is delicious right now. So I'm going to give a minute for persons to post any question they have. Just a minute. I'm going to show my face eating this. Just finished exercise. Shower with my Sebi soap. And fresh up and having my fruit. So let me see, do you eat the soursop seed? No. The soursop seed is very tough and hard. And if you swallow the soursop seed and you go to the toilet, your seed come out in the bathroom. So going once, going twice. No more question. Or you guys want to watch me eat? Where do you get your sea moss from? So like a sea moss from the Caribbean family. Social sea moss from the Caribbean. So we get our sea moss. And you know, guys, mango is out of season now, and I picked this from my backyard, and it's super delicious. Are you going to shop fruits to the UK? Yes, DHL is awesome. DHL is, trust me, it can ship anywhere in the world. And, so we're working on some agreement with them so we can get these live Jamaican organic real fruits. So if you notice, when I buy fruits, people that live in the countryside just bring them to the street side. We just drive and buy them, just drive around Jamaica. Well, I'm in Senton, so it's easy. I just like 30 minutes drive and I get all the fruits I want. So that's it, or the side effect from cleansing. Well, there's no side effect from cleanse. Just, herbs are for the healing. And what people are not doing is incorporating herbs in their diet, and that's the problem. People don't do that, and that's the missing link. So there's no harmful from cleansing and detoxing. This only benefits from that, because trust me, all their life, a lot of people don't even know about cleansing and detox. If you're pregnant, you're not supposed to do it though. So if you're pregnant, you're not supposed to do it. This is Ankeru. I'm out. Peace, love, and sunlight.